Okay, it's recording.
What is this called? I don't want to know.
Just do it.
Don't be a pussy.
You
No,
won't do
just
it.
kidding. Did you just give me the middle finger?
Hold on.
I'm gonna send this to Clinton
I
after.
lost a little bit of it.
Where?
I don't know.
Go.
I can't swallow it.
Then drink the water. Drink the water.
Oh,
It's all in my mouth. That makes it worse. Oh my god.
You're just like raping me.
I'm dying.
Oh,
Are you gonna throw up?
no, that's gross.
I can't stop I can't stop picturing those little clouds.
Did you see the
coming
little
out of
poof
his mouth.
before? I dare you to do it again.
It wasn't that bad.
Will you do it again?
I don't think I've laughed that hard in
You
so
do it.
long. I don't want to.
It wasn't that bad. You don't spit it out like on the video.
No.
It wasn't bad. It just like gets all stuck in your mouth. It feels like you can't swallow it.
I don't know.
Was it actually really that gross? Excuse me?
It wasn't that bad. I don't know
I
what
was-
her problem was, but it wasn't anywhere close to
I was
that.
raping you.